Welcome guys sa another video tutorial ng Lyka. So today po, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nyo po i-convert yung gems nyo into cash. So ito highly requested po itong video na to and paulit-ulit po na tinatag sa group and sa GC yung tutorial for encashment. Before we start, disclaimer lang po, this video is intended for informal use to help the viewers understand the function of Lyka. Furthermore, this video is not the official video tutorial of Lyka and was voluntarily made by Lyka Community Group. Before we start in po, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel and to follow my Lyka account. This is my business account, Colorete Marketing, and my personal account, I am Amy. Step by step po nating ituturo yung pag-e-encash ng Lyka Gem into cash. So first, after nyo po ma-download yung Lyka, if ever po na hindi nyo alam kung saan nyo i-download, I will link the description below para po sa another tutorial ko kung paano po i-download ang Lyka. Okay, first, kiklik nyo po yung logo ng Lyka. Then, after nyo pong maklik, ikiklik nyo po yung My Gem. So, ayun po yung My Gems, yung nakaturo na arrow. Next is, ikiklik nyo po yung tatlong tuldok sa upper right corner. So, ayan po yung tatlong tuldok. Dito po, madaming nalilito dahil instead na yung tatlong tuldok yung kiniklik nila, ang kiniklik nila is yung katabi na parang logo ng card. So, hindi po yun. Yung logo ng card, nilalagay nyo po yung card details nyo doon if ever you want to buy gems. Pero kung mag-encash po kayo, ang kiklik nyo po yung tatlong tuldok. Next is, click sell your gems. So, by the way, yung gems is gift card in electronic mode. So, gems is meant for trading products, exchanging your gems into item. So, dun po talaga ginagamit ang gems and not for cash. So, parang yung pag-exchange natin sa cash is parang bonus lang din kasi yun ni Lyka. Yan. Then, sell your gems. Click nyo lang po yan. Type the amount of gems. Sorry, may typographical error. You want to encash. Yan. Sa pag-encash po natin ng gems, minimum po tayo ng 300 pesos. Yan. Dito natin ilalagay yung 300, for example. Next is click continue. Then, set your bank account. So, sa pagsiset po ng bank account, ayan, complete the bank information form. So, sa bank name is kung anong bangko nyo, BDO, BPI, RCBC, any major banks po, pwede nyong ilagay dito. Okay? Hindi po tayo pwede sa GCash card or Paymaya or any e-money wallet or cash card, hindi rin po tayo pwede. We only accept bank account po talaga yung may account number. Then, bank address naman po kung saan po kayo nag-open ng account. If ever po sa online po kayo nag-open ng account, pwede nyo pong ilagay yung pinaka-main branch, yung pinaka-main office ng bank na yung pinaka-main office ng bank nyo. For example, kung BDO, let's say, ilagay nyo na lang po Metro Manila, ganyan. Or, pwede nyo pong isearch sa Google kung saan po yung main office nung bangko na hinahawakan nyo. Then, bank SWIFT code. Bank SWIFT code can be searched on Google. Every information you provide is important and can affect the processing days if you provide a wrong or incomplete details. Ayan, importante po yung bank SWIFT code. If ever po na hindi nyo alam, pwede nyo pong isearch sa Google. For example, BDO SWIFT code. So, makikita nyo po doon, nandun na po yung mga given. Then, account name. Sa account name is your account name na naka-enroll sa bangko. If ever na hindi sa inyo yung bangko, kung sino po yung may-ari ng bank, yun po yung ilalagay nyo sa account name. Kung hiniram nyo lang yung bank account. And account number, ayan. Then, account address is yung address nyo po. kung sino may-ari ng bank account. Then, yung contact number, make sure lang po na active yung contact number na ilalagay nyo. Just in case na magkaroon ng problema, at least may contact po ang Lyka sa inyo. And also, the email address, kailangan po is active din po yung email address nyo. Yan. Then, select your bank account. So, pwede kasi kayo maglagay ng multiple bank account dito, then isa-select nyo lang kung saan nyo gustong matanggap yung encashment nyo. Yan. Balik tayo. Yan. Next is, ito na yung lalabas, encashment. Yan, ito na yung mga encashment details. This is the conversion, tapos, yung service fee nyo, kung magkano yung nakaltas, kasi meron po tayong 5% na service charge every time na nag-encash tayo. 5% is parang for every 100 pesos, 5 pesos po yung nababawas. So, kung 300, 15 pesos po yung nababawas. Okay? So, ang total na marireceive nyo is 285. Then, click nyo lang po yung continue. Make sure to double check your bank account kasi baka mali yung madepositohan. Hindi nyo, mabaliwala yung encashment nyo. Yan. Then, kapag po successful, makakakita po kayo sa taas ng withdrawal request successfully saved. Then, makikita nyo rin po sa ongoing transaction yung encashment status nyo. And, speaking of encashment status, every time po na mag-e-encash kayo and gusto nyong makita din yung mga previous na encashment nyo, pwede po kayong pumunta sa gem sales history. Yan. Click here to check the status and history. So, ito po yung makikita nyo sa gem sales history. Yan yung mga previous transaction nyo, kung nag-cancel kayo, kung successful yung transfer nyo, and kung kailan kayo nag-encash. Ayan, pati po yung reference number na andyan. Ito naman po yung iba't ibang klase ng status ng encashment. Meron tayong waiting for approval, canceled, withdrawal approved, successfully transferred. So, explain ko lang po. Kapag waiting for approval, ibig sabihin po, pending pa po or kaka-withdraw nyo lang po nung gems. Kaka-request nyo lang po ng gems. Ayan. So, waiting to be checked pa siya ng Lyka. So, ito-check niya po kung meron pong problema yung gems, no? Kung wala po bang exploit or hindi po ba galing sa daya yung gems, no? Then, kapag po na-check na ni Lyka, yung gems nyo, and wala naman pong naging daya, ilalagay niya po doon, withdrawal approve. And, sa cancel transaction naman po, kapag waiting for approval pa, pwede nyo pa po siyang i-cancel. So, ito po yung itsura ng cancel transaction, yung pula. Kapag po nasa withdrawal approve na po kayo, hindi nyo na po pwedeng i-cancel yung transaction nyo, and tuloy-tuloy na po yun hanggang sa maging successfully transferred. Kapag withdrawal approved po, ibig sabihin na i-check na po yung gems nyo, wala pong illegal gems na pumasok. Ibig sabihin, legit nyong nakuha lahat ng mga earnings, no? From followers and from posting, or kung may nag-like sa post, no? Or may nag-transfer ng gems sa inyo, and legit din naman yung pagkaka-transfer, walang exploit na nangyari. So, ang makikita nyo po doon is withdrawal approve. Your encashment is cleared and ready for deposit. Pero hindi ibig sabihin po noon ay na-deposit na po sa bank account nyo. Naka-ready pa lang po siya. Okay? Kapag naman po nakalagay is successfully transferred, ibig sabihin, pwede nyo nang i-check yung bank account nyo kasi po i-deposit na po sa bank account nyo yung encashment nyo. That's it for today, and thank you for watching. I hope naintindihan nyo po yung tutorial na to. And again, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel, follow my Lyka account. I am Amy, and Colorete Marketing. Thank you for watching, and see you to my next tutorial.